Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Sabina. So if you guys are watching this video for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. As you guys can guess from the title that today's video is gonna be all about FC Road and MC Road haul video. So people who don't know what is FC Road and MC Road, it's a place in Pune which is a very good place for girls who is like sucker for street shopping and who love to shop in an even cheaper rate. So this is a place for you. So recently I went there and I got so many things from there. Like, it was such an amazing experience of me was there. So yeah, let's start our video. And I hope you guys have watched my previous video, which was FC Road and MG Road vlog. If you haven't, then please do watch this video after watching this video. So very good place for people who want to shop, especially girls. And I am sucker for this kind of street shopping, and I love to explore street shopping. I wish I could go to Delhi also to explore Sarojini Nagar, but it's okay. So let's start our video. Okay, so number one, first thing that I got. Okay, so the first thing I got is of course kurti, because I wanted to get as much as kurti and kurta from India. So I got this one. So this is a very beautiful pink embroidery. I don't know if it is Lucknowi, it will be called Lucknowi or not, but it have like this kind of very beautiful embroidery, sort of Lucknowi. I don't know, please let me know. I think this is a Lucknowi also. So it's a very beautiful pink kurti. It's like long sleeve. It's not long, it's like 1/4 sleeve, I think. Yeah, it's a very beautiful. It has a like a beautiful neckline, very beautiful pattern at the bottom, and this lining. So it's very beautiful kurti that I got from there at first. This was the first thing that I got there. Okay, so this was for like 250 rupees, and it was fixed price, so he did not give me even discount. So you really need to bargain it, because maybe I was a new person. 50 is fine for me, because if you'll convert 250 in Nepalese rupees, then it is going to be like less than 500. So it was fine for me, because less than getting kurti for less than 500 in Nepal is very rare. So I really like this kurti and I got it. It was amazing. And then I got this from the same place. This is a very beautiful white Lucknowi kurta. This I can see, I think, Lucknowi kurta, because it have like the thread work which is made from hand, I think. Yeah, and it is very beautiful pattern. Like you can see neckline, in the neckline it's a very beautiful neckline pattern to have, and as embroidery at the bottom also. It have very beautiful this pattern, you can see. I really like this white kurti. It was also for 250 rupees. Then again I got from the same place is this 100 rupees for this short, but it was a very disappointment for me, because like it was like this, you can see this. So it was damaged piece. So you have to make sure that you are checking it nicely, right? You have to really explore, and you have to really check that all the products are nice and not torn down or damages. Because this one for 100 rupees, and I was like, oh my god, I got shot for 100 rupees. But then when I saw this one, I was like very disappointed, like this much. So you have to really check and you have to really see. Okay, so this one I got from the same shop for 100 rupees. Next thing I got is this slipper. So this one is for 200 rupees. So it was for 250 and they gave me for 200, and it is very beautiful. I so wanted to get Kolhapuri chappals, although it's not the original Kolhapuri, because you will not get for 250 or 200 original Kolhapuri. So this kind of slipper you will not get in 200 in Nepal, definitely, for sure you will not get in 200. So 200, if you convert 200 in Nepalese rupees, then it is gonna be 300. So for 300 also you will not gonna get this kind of slipper in Nepal. So I got this one. And again from the same shop I got this one for my this one for my sister. So this was also for 200 rupees. Next thing I got is earrings from FC Road. So I really like this earrings. So these are like silver oxidized earrings. I'm loving silver oxidized earring these days. So this is in the shape like this. It has very beautiful jhumka at the bottom, very beautiful shape, that is, you can see square shape, I really like this one. So this one is for 50 rupees, and from the same store I got this one. So this is very beautiful. Again, this is also 50 rupees, and this one is also from 50 rupees. The three of them were for 150 rupees. Okay, so these are the things that you saw is from FC Road. All of these things are from FC Road. So after that I went to MG Road. So let's start the MG Road haul also. Okay, so like FC Road is better than MG Road because you will find the varieties of things in FC Road as compared to MG Road, I think. Okay, that's just my personal view. And so from the same store I got this four kurtas from there. So let me show you. So number one is this one. So this is also very beautiful kurta. You can say you can pair it with your plazo, a white plazo, or you can pair it with your jeans, anything, you know. So this is very beautiful peach color it have, and it's very simple. It doesn't have anything, you know, nothing new, but it's just simple that I like it. And it have this embroidery designed, very beautiful. I really like the color peach. So this was it. So this was for 225, I think, but this guy gave me discount, you know. So this was for so this one is number one, and the second one is also very beautiful color, which is in yellow. So this is beautiful pastel yellow color that I got. It have a very beautiful design, like you can see. It have a very beautiful butterfly sort of design, white embroidery, white kadai. Then I got this one. So this one is also very beautiful green color. So it's very beautiful. It have a like shiny effect, you know, you can see or not, but it have a really shiny effect. Really like the karai of this you know, kurti. It has very beautiful karai design, you can see. Yeah, so these three of them were for 650. The total them for 650, I think. Yeah, before he was saying like 250 for one piece, one dress, one kurta, but later he gave me discount because I told him that I'm gonna get you know, like in a bulk if you will give me discount. So this store is just opposite of Biba store. So if you are you know, gonna go to MG Road, it's the opposite of Biba. Okay, opposite of Biba store in MG Road. Then from the same bhaiya, same store, I got is this very beautiful kurta set. So this is in a green color. It's a pastel green, you can light green, mint green, whatever you like to call it. I really like this one. This is a very beautiful kurta. I never had in this color, so I really wanted to get this one. So it's very beautifully, like you can see. Again, it have a very beautiful kadai, white kadai. So this time I choose everything in pastel, you know. So it's very beautiful, like you can see. So it's a very beautiful work is done out here. So I really like this one. And it have, this is a kurta, so this is a top, okay, and this is a bottom. So this is salwar. So at the salwar also it's have very beautifully work done. Okay, now next is, this is dupatta. So dupatta is also very beautiful, like you guys, you can see this is so beautifully you know, work is done. So I really like this one. So this one for 750. He was saying for 900 something, so he gave me discount, so I got for 750. Next thing I got is very beautiful, this amazing sweater, again in blue pastel color. It's very beautiful, it's very nice, like you can see. It doesn't even feel like thrifting, you know, thrift. It just look like very new, and you will not believe it that I got this for just 100 rupees. Just 100 rupees for this sweater. So as winter is about to come, I don't know about the Pune weather, but in Nepal definitely now we are gonna face, it's fall and then some winter is about to come. So for 100 rupees, this is definitely a steal deal for me, and I really like it. And loungewear. So this is the pajama that I got, you know. So you can see this is very beautiful pajama, white good night kind of sort of Ghibli vibe. So you have a cloud and moon. So this one is for 150 rupees. This one is for my sister, and the next one is I'm wearing right now. So just exploring around. Then I saw this sleeper stall, and I was like shocked. Oh my god. So they were selling 2 pair of shoe for 250 rupees. So these are for 250 rupees. I was like shocked. Oh my god, I have to get this. Why I got from FC Road? I was like saying like why I got from FC Road, because the MC Road was selling in like 250 rupees for 2 pair. Like you can see, this is very beautiful. Like look at this, guys. They have a very beautiful Kolhapuri chappal, you can say. Yeah, like, look at this, multicolor, and even it looks so beautiful on me. Like it is so beautiful, multicolor. I really like this one. And then I got this one. This one is also these days, these one are also in trend. You can pair this one with anything, you know, western wear, ethnic wear, you can style it. So these are for 250 for 2 pair, 250. So this was a very amazing deal. Definitely you guys can go there and shop from MG Road. So because, okay, at last I got some pair of earrings from MG Road. There was one guy, you know, he was selling this for 50 rupees. So I got this earrings from him. He was so sweet. This guy gave me discount. So this is the earring that I got. So this one is for 50 rupees. Then this one is also for 50 rupees. Okay. And then this is also for 50 rupees. Okay. And then another, this one is for 50 rupees. No, not 50 rupees. I'm so sorry. This guy was selling me for some for 30 rupees and some for 50 rupees. So he's the only guy who gave me discount and who was giving me like 30 rupees and 50 rupees. These are the all things that I got from MG Road and FC Road. So I hope you guys like this video, and you guys can also go there and shop from there. I had a very good experience out there shopping these all things. Like it was definitely a steal deal for me. Definitely a good amazing experience out there. So this was all it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If so, then please do not forget to subscribe and share with your friends, family, whoever you know. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.